should get something to eat. Oh, cookies! Awesome! Okay, what else? A pumpkin? I could make a pie! Huh?
Is that all? Let me count. That'll be 17 Sam coins. Cash or credit card?
Oh, Sammy, you scared me! I didn't know you were still playing that supermarket game.
I actually work here, lady. Pay for the goods, please. Hurry!
Alright, I'll pay cash. Where is it? Here, you have a cash register, right?
A what now? Cash register? I've never heard about such a thing.
Seriously? How are you going to take cash then? Come on, I'll make you one.
Really? You would do that for me? Yay! Check this out, Sue. I've already sketched it. What do you think?
Aw, it looks adorable. Let's not waste another minute then. Now we have all we need.
But how are we going to put this together? Are there any instructions?
I'll guide you through. Can you get me a glue gun? We really need it today.
One glue gun coming right up. Here in our supermarket we have it all.
Thank you, Sammy. Now, we'll start by putting together the outer box. Be careful when you do that, friends, alright? Here it goes, like this.
And I'm almost done with this one. By the way, that'll be another 15 cent coins.
What? But it's me who actually helping you out here. Everything should be free of charge, don't you think?
Nothing personal, Susan. It's just business.
Okay, fair enough, I guess. So, where's the kitty part?
We can hang out together like that every day, you know?
Excuse me? No, Kitty's the head cashier.
What? Kitty, how could you? I am the head cashier. Are you laughing at me?
Sammy, cut it out. We need no drama. This shade of blue does look good, don't you think? Here are some more. And we shouldn't forget about the back wall, too.
Now that Kitty is the head cashier, I can take a break.
Yeah, right. There is no time to rest for a true crafter. We're just getting started.
Okay. Hey, who's there? Stop right there. It's not free, you know? Pay up. Are you kidding me? Whack. Hey, what are you… Huh? This is all the money I've got. Now, run! It's not even money! Get back! So, I have been scammed!
There, poor thing. Oh, we could use those strips. I guess you can count them as payment. We'll cover these cuts with them, so that everything looks nice and neat.
That's not so good for business, so you know.
Well, at least we're almost finished with the primary color. Check this out. These are two identical pieces. And I just love how they look on our craft. Oh, I wish I could find more strips to cover the cuts, though. Maybe somebody could help?
What on earth are they putting in these chewing gums these days?
Oh, Sammy.
So, where do I put the money? I don't get it.
I was just about to get to that. Now we're going to craft a money box. I'll go bring more pieces. All we need is to assemble a box. That's a pretty basic step. I'm sure you're all familiar with that. Looking good. Sam, have you seen the felt for the box?
Huh? Where am I? How did I get here? Something's off! Thanks for rescuing me, Sue!
Let's see if this piece of felt is of the right size. I think we're good. Oh, and it's great that we have enough fabric to cover the inside of the walls as well.
So what was I? Huh? Oh no, not again! Ah! Help me! Help! Ah!
Oh, that's lucky. Look what the slime dragged in. We also shouldn't forget about the money dividers. Voila! Haha! We'll put the bills in one part and the coins in the other.
And what do we use to open the box, huh? No? Good thing I thought of that beforehand.
Oh, wow! Look, friends, it's a perfect fit! We can open and close the cash register easily now. But we also need to make a few number buttons. We'll start with the number 1. Let's get it in shape. Ah, what a perfect circle! Hey, check this out, everyone! It looks like we have everything for the next step. What will it be?
It looks like it's my cue.
Wow, these buttons are amazing! But they are missing numbers. Guess what? My magical notebook will come in handy. Come on, don't let me down. All done! My magic still works. Every number will have its place here.
What is that? Interesting. But Detective Sam will solve this mystery in no time. Let me just… Why is it so sticky?
Hold it, Detective. I'll take it from here. Let's use this double-sided tape to stick the buttons on. It's gonna be perfect. there you go!
Sue, I'm going to iron my work clothes.
Nuh-uh, it's not a toy. But it is exactly what I need. Watch this. We use the hot iron to give this foam paper piece volume. It just needs a good warm-up. There we go.
I've got some letters on me. Are they yours?
Yes, thanks for the reminder. I was about to start looking for them. Let's stick them here. It is very easy. Here we go.
Open? Looks very cool.
Yep, so what do you think?
It is cute, but kinda boring. And there's no money in it.
Don't worry, we'll take care of that in no time. Friends, stay tuned. Our kitty will be wearing a gray stripe. Give me a few seconds to cut it out from felt. Now, some video editing magic.
I will take care of the rest. That's like a flash!
And…
Sue, we forgot about Kitty's paws.
No, we didn't. We'll make them right now. We need to sew these two pieces together first. And then we'll stuff them up.
Not a problem. Would you give me a lift?
All right then. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! There's a whole cloud of stuff in here! It tickles! Quick, get it off me!
These paws will be soft as a cloud. I made the second one just the same way. And this is where they will look best.
Hey, what about bills and coins? I've got a piece of cardboard here.
Awesome! And I have a piece of felt of the right size. Let's put them together. Now let's decide on a price. How about 1,000 cat bills? Hey, what's that behind your ear?
Huh? Is that a coin? Whoa! Huh?
Do the same thing with the bills, please.
Sure thing. Whoosh! Oh, that's a lot of money.
This is where the bills go. And the coins go right here. Looks perfect, right? Amazing! Our cash register is full.
Susie, don't forget these cat details too.
Of course, Sammy. Here comes the tail. Aw, I love it! We also need a price tag. There we go. Now let's put everything together. And then we'll enjoy the result.
Oh, my precious. Together we'll make lots and lots of money. Huh?
Hi there. I will take these. How much is it?
Good day. You didn't hide any groceries in your pockets, did you?
What? No! How could you say that? Let me just pay up and get out of here. Whoops! I think I forgot my wallet.
Yeah, sure. Tell it to security.
I need you to come with me to the police station.
No way! You'll never catch me!
Stop right there!
Oh, not so fast. Bye, everyone. See you in the next video.